Hello, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. In the last two lessons, you have learned about quick and slow changes to air service. In this lesson, you will learn about design solutions to slow landscape changes. Interesting. Let's start it. The objective of our lesson today is to develop and use models to compare multiple solutions to slow or prevent changes to Earth's landscape. Here we have three friends, Frankie, Casey, and Holly. They are talking about how wind and water can change the land by carrying away soil. Which friend has the best idea? Let's see Frankie. Frankie said that I think people can slow the changes to land from wind and water. Amazing! Let's see Casey. Casey said that I think people can slow the changes to land from water. I don't think people can slow the changes to land from wind. Holly, I don't think people can slow the changes to land from wind or water. What about you, grade 2? What do you think? Which friend has the best idea? Think about it, circle the correct answer, and write your explanation in this space. This is page number 51. Look at this photo, page number 52. What do you observe, grade 2? What are these materials? What do you think? Why did they use these straw wattles? Before you answer, let's watch a video. What do you observe, grade 2? What do you think? Why do they use a breakwater? And what questions do you have about what you see in the photo and the video? Think about it and write your answer in this box. We have a sample answer here. I think the straw wattles are used to stop the earth from sliding down the hill. I think the breakwater is used to block water from crashing onto a beach. Amazing, it's time to make an activity. Prevent erosion. In this inquiry activity, we will make a model to find out how straw wattles work. Now it's time to watch a video.
In this lesson, you'll explain what people can do to help slow the changes to the Earth's landscape. Let's look at the photo of the straw wattles. How do you think these wattles can prevent or stop erosion? In this activity, you'll observe how water erosion affects a hill and how a paper towel wattle can prevent or reduce water erosion. To carry out this investigation, you'll use safety goggles, a pan, sand, a cup, a spoon, a pitcher of water, a pre-prepared cup, clay, paper towels, tape, and toothpicks. To complete this activity, you'll make a model of a wattle. A wattle is a tube-shaped device, usually made from straw. A wattle is placed on a hillside to prevent erosion. You will build your model to see how a wattle works. Before you begin, make a prediction. What effect will a wattle placed on a hill have on soil? For this activity, wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Be careful with pointed ends when working with toothpicks. Mold the clay to form a smooth hill in the pan. Next, use a spoon and half of your sand to evenly cover the hill. Look at the cup. Notice the holes that are in the bottom of the cup. When water is placed in the cup, it will flow out of the holes, simulating rain. Hold the cup a few inches above the top of your hill. Have your partner fill the cup halfway with water. Move the cup back and forth across the top of the hill. What happens as the water runs down the hill? Record your observations in the data table under Without Paper Towel. Next, use the paper towel to gently push the wet sand to the opposite side of the pan. Use additional paper towels to remove most of the water from the pan. Dispose of wet paper towels according to your teacher's directions. Use the spoon to place the remainder of dry sand on the hill. Now you're going to make the waddle. Roll the paper towel into a log shape. Place a piece of tape around the waddle to keep it from unrolling. Don't put the tape in the middle of the waddle. Set the waddle across the middle of the hill. Your teacher will poke 3 guide holes in your waddle for you. To hold the waddle in place, carefully put a toothpick down through each end of the waddle and into the clay. You may have to twist the toothpick to get it through the layers of paper towel. Put the remaining toothpick down through the middle of the waddle and into the clay. Let's observe what happens when it rains on the hill now. Hold the cup a few inches above the top of your hill. Have your partner fill the cup halfway with water. What happens when the water runs down the hill? Is there anything different this time? Record your observations in your data table under With Paper Towel. Now that you've finished gathering data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.
That was amazing! This is very interesting inquiry activity. I'm so excited to make it with you, grade 2. Please, grade 2, be sure to write your own answer for question page number 54 and the questions page number 55. And here we have sample answers for question number 7 and 8. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.